And we did have a chicken fire, 600 feet long, 2 months ago. And there were 40 firefighters there. And it was just it went well. It was an empty chicken barn. But just to give you kind of the idea, the structure was a complete loss. 500 or 600 feet long, 100 feet wide. The guy was, so it was Thursday. The folks were expecting 25,000 day-olds to come in on the Saturday. What he was doing is he also used the front of that chicken barn. He didn't store stuff other than hay, but he was moving his hay and straw with his payloader. Exhaust was at the front. It's a turbo, kicked in, ignited that. He had his fire extinguishers, tried to put it out. Well, doors on both sides and the ventilation were going because they're empty and they're working in there, wanting to make it comfortable for the workers. Well, that just fueled the fire. And it went front to back, everywhere. So, talking to that fella, he lost, so he couldn't get the 25,000 day-olds. That's no problem. But the problem is he lost the whole structure. Insurance will take care of it. He'll be able to build it in no time. Not true. They can't find, he said, if I had the money tomorrow, I can't find a builder to build my barn for over a year. So he's lost all that revenue for a year. On that structure, fortunately, he's got 2 other barns, but now that comes down to the margins now, right? Now he's only got 2 barns, not 3. So now his whole cycle's out of whack. It's just looking beyond just the, let's go and we're rolling up the hose at the end of it, and just got to put your mindset there.